The recent expulsion of war veteran and outspoken former ZANU-PF official Blessed Geza is indeed a heavy blow to the ruling party's support base in Mashonaland West, with internal restructuring exercises revealing growing discontent and dwindling grassroots participation. Sanabena mashukuru kuda panapa zvinzi aiwa Bob Shokugeza hits ED hard in Mashonaland West and subscribe like on the bell icon. TV na mnao mzimu brand kwa mchinzi. ZANU-PF is currently conducting a SO verification exercise in Makonde, Urungwa and Sanyati districts to prepare for the co-option of new central committee members. However, the process is being made by pure attendance, internal divisions, and unresolved tensions dating back to the 2023 general elections in Sanyati. The expulsion of Geza, who openly called for the removal of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has left a vacuum and state division. Geza, a respected war veteran, gained notoriety for criticizing Mnangagwa's leadership, accusing him of betraying the values of the liberation struggle and presiding over a corrupt authoritarian regime. His bold stance, which resonated with sections of disgruntled war veterans and party loyalists, ultimately cost him his positions in the party. The leadership contest to replace Geza has drawn figures such as Man's Deputy Minister Polite Kambamura, businessman Jimaya Muduviri, and Kudakwa Shendoya. However, insiders say the infighting and the lack of cohesion have severely disrupted the party's organizational momentum in the area. In Makonde, Phineas Makumbe, Tommy Mwanza, Simba Ziyambi, and Lukadia Akwati are competing to succeed Kindness Baraza, now a commissioner in the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. Meanwhile, there will be no co-option in Chinoi to replace controversial businessman Mike Chimombe, who remains in remand prison facing fraud-related charges. Domash Karuda Pangwa in after Bob Shogeza's firing from the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pangwa in Zhakauya Zhakasheka Bato, Panapa Panama infighting, Panama splits, Panama Tukonoti, Panama fights Arkitika, Panuachi fighter key positions. Tuze mafunguro enyi mori kudipa msoro pe chitu kwechi. Ewa siku ya kuruto kupanapa, na wakumana wezimu aipenda. Kuma section medu mafunguro enyi, fana subscribe wa like, chat on the bell.